Hey there, to change the alarm sound or alarm ringtone on your iPhone, you need to visit your clock application. And from here, you need to open the alarm you have set, tap here, and you will find this option called sound. As you can see, this is the option sound, tap here. So by default, this is the default ringtone. If you want to change it to something else, just tap on the one you want to change, and after selecting the desired ringtone, you need to tap this back button, and from here you need to press the save button. So yeah, now the alarm has been alarm ringtone or the alarm sound has been changed to breaking. So yeah, that's how you change your alarm sound on your iPhone.